Why did the Bitcoin go to the bar? Because it heard there was stiff drinks and loose change. Now, let's imagine you're a regular Joe who once dabbled in Bitcoin, buying a few here and there, then completely forgot about it. Fast forward a few years and you stumble upon your old Bitcoin wallet. Surprise, surprise. Those bits and pieces of Bitcoin have now turned into a mountain of digital gold worth millions. This is the power of cryptocurrency, a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. It's like finding an old comic book in your attic that's now worth a fortune. But the beauty of crypto is that you don't have to wait for decades. The digital world moves at light speed and fortunes can be made overnight. And so our lucky fellow found himself a crypto millionaire overnight. But what if we told you you don't need to stumble upon a forgotten wallet to make money from crypto? Now meet our friend Bob. Bob's not a tech wizard, he's an average guy with an average job. But Bob had a secret weapon, a willingness to learn about cryptocurrency. You see, Bob understood that knowledge is power. So he started reading up on the basics of blockchain technology. Every night, he would plug into podcasts about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the ever-expanding universe of altcoins. He pored over websites to understand how crypto markets operate, how prices fluctuate, and what influences them. He wasn't deterred by the complexity. Instead, he embraced it. He learned about different types of cryptocurrencies, their purpose, and how they fit into the wider digital ecosystem. Bob wanted to make informed decisions, so he kept learning, kept researching, and kept updating his knowledge. Bob wasn't a finance guru or a Wall Street wolf, but he was patient, curious, and persistent. And these traits, dear friends, can turn any average Joe into a crypto enthusiast. So, Bob started his journey with a Google search, and soon enough he was ready to make his first trade. Bob's first trade was a disaster. He bought high and sold low. But remember, our friend Bob is a quick learner. Bob's misadventure brings us to the core principles of trading. Buy low, sell high. Sounds simple, doesn't it? But in the heat of the moment, it's easy to get caught up in the market's ups and downs. That's where patience comes in. Bob learned to wait for the right moment, not rushing into trades, but waiting for the value to drop before buying. He also realized that emotions can be a trader's worst enemy. Acting on panic or euphoria often leads to poor decisions. So Bob began to trade logically, not emotionally. Next, Bob explored different trading strategies. From day trading to hodling, he tried them all. What worked best for him? A diversified portfolio. By spreading his investments across different cryptocurrencies, he was able to balance risk and reward. With time, Bob got the hang of it. He learned from his mistakes, tweaked his strategies, and guess what? Bob started making profits. Now, you might be thinking, good for Bob, but what about me? Well, my friend, it's easier than you think. Just like Bob, you can embark on your very own crypto journey. It all starts with setting up a crypto wallet, your personal pocketbook in the virtual world of digital currencies. Next, you'll need to choose a trading platform. Consider the platform's security features, its user interface, and the variety of cryptocurrencies it supports. Now comes the fun part, learning about different cryptocurrencies. It's like being a kid in a candy store, except the candies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the likes. The crypto world is vast and packed with opportunities. To help you navigate it, consider checking out books like Mastering Bitcoin or The Age of Cryptocurrency. So, are you ready to join the crypto club? Remember, every crypto expert was once a beginner. Now it's your turn to take the leap. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. And of course, subscribe for more crypto fun and wisdom. See you on the moon.